Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, 375 by 155 foot building, 60,000 square foot building. There are going to be indoor basketball courts in this building. We're about 70% finished with the framing. Framed all of this in the last 3 weeks. And that's the difference between 3 experienced, well-organized metal building erectors and a team of 15 people who are not well-organized, wouldn't even have gotten this far. Experience matters. The other thing I'd like to point out is you can see inside there are these crossbeams that are put in to support the basketball standards that are going to be hung from the roof. Those actually provide a lot of lateral support between the beams. Normally I would want our guys to be putting in the flange braces, which are the little angles that connect from the bottom of the beam up to the purlin, because those give a lot of lateral support. And you can see from looking down this framing how much steel there is, how much web is exposed. If we were to get an 80-mile-an-hour wind against this building from this south end, that would put an enormous amount of pressure on that steel, and if it were not braced well, the whole thing would collapse. But we know from experience that these cross beams are getting us a lot of lateral support. We can come back and put in the flange braces later. Experience matters. You get a feel for the dimensions and the characteristics of the steel and the most efficient way to erect it. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction, LLC. I'm an architect and contractor. We design and build these pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.